this slide is the Cardinal Gracious Hospital. Cardinal Gracious Hospital has attributes to it, that is the hospital building, the garden, the medical store associated to it, the vans, and all that is what we are seeing on this particular slide. So this information is geocoded and has attribute data associated to it. So if you click on the hospital on the GIS screen, you will see the hospital number, the emergency number, the 911 number, what we call it here in US. We have all that information geocoded for the parishioners. The St. Thomas Church. As the hospital was geocoded the same way, we have the church has its cricket ground, the church has its church building, it has the volleyball ground, it has a stage, it has a primary school attached to it, and not to forget the important St. Vianney ashram. And it has the priests data, which are the priests associated to the parish. Bali market area. It's a place to go to buy groceries, to do the normal day-to-day activities like going to a restaurant on the weekend, having food with the family. So what we're seeing here is the banks, the medical stores, the groceries, the restaurants, and also if I have a thing to be photocopied, there is a photocopy shop what we can see on this layer. So this information is useful for the parishioners as they can find what type of service is available at which place and what time the particular bank's offices or any store offices are open. All this information is there in the attribute table. Okay, so the part one was for looking at the project from the graphical perspective. Now we will be looking at the project from the database perspective. What we have is in the project, our engineering team, the Waltsoft engineering team has used the join and the relate technical aspect of Esri to join all the tables. And relate the information from different tables together to form a cluster of information which is useful for the parishioners. To explain on the particular technical aspect of it, a join is used where one-to-one relationship of the table is found, and a relate is used where one-to-many or many-to-many relationships were found. So thanks for the engineering team for developing this particular aspect of the project, which is very important for us to get the attribute data out. So in this slide, what we are seeing is St. Thomas Church. As we click on the graphics, it takes the information of the church from the database. It shows which priests are associated to the church. So as we can see on the screen, it is Clement, Valentine, Cajetan, and the owner is the St. Thomas Church. Going to the next slide, we have the information about the parishioners. That is each house in the church is geocoded with its information. So let's click on the wall and see what is there in the information. So here we see that the house is owned by John GIS. Its occupants are he has 4 children and a wife. And if we click, and the important aspect of this information is linked to the church and the environment and the type of the environment the house has with the church. So we are seeing here that the church environment is type 2, and the type 2 is a music ministry. So John's son Sandor is in music ministry for the parish.